Hi, Amber. You talking? What are you saying? Ba. Ba ba ba. Bye. We just ate dinner, didn't we? Yes, we did. Mama. Uh-oh. You dropped your milk. Oh, gonna eat a little bit more? Did you save that for dessert? What's so funny? Pasta funny. Are you a good girl? Did you eat all of your dinner? Let's see. Oh, you almost ate all of it. You eat that green bean right there? Oh, really? Okay, well that carrot would be good. Good. Good girl. Is it yummy? Do you have a happy belly? Do you have a happy belly? Yes, you do. Yeah. Alright, say bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.